Hello and welcome to another episode of Sandy Killer Projects. In this episode I'm going to show you how to replace the door cup on the 06 Jeep Commander. These have a tendency to break, and as you can see, this is actually a separate piece. So they make replacement ones of these. We're going to pull this door panel off and replace this. It actually replaces this whole cup so you don't have to use it like a ripcord and pull on the door panel. First thing I'm going to do is take out the Phillips head screw that is hiding in there and one that is in there, and then I'm going to start working the door panel off. Okay, so I've gotten all the screws out, but I also need to show you there's one more screw right in the middle, right in there, and that's actually the one for the back of the door cup, which will be replaced and I will end up taking out. But to get underneath the door panel, I have my plastic door panel kit. This is actually a really awesome set of tool. You get it and you stick your hand underneath and find the plastic plugs and you squeeze it, and it actually separates the door panel piece off without breaking the little plastic plugs that are underneath. So to start, to get underneath, you take a pry bar tool and you work your way into the side of it, and once you get to where there's a plug, you take your plastic plug tools and you go like that, and it pops tools up, and the plastic parts for that door cup start falling out. All right, so once you work all the clips off of the bottom, you're going to get the door panel to where it's like this. Once you can get into the back side of it, you need to split apart this clip and this clip. This is what works the mortar controls. This is what works the door locks and the windows. All right, so for our case, we're going to be working on this section right here. As you can see, this is all really brittle plastic. There's a little clip that holds this wiring in place that actually snapped off when I went to see if it would pop out. These little things got to get knocked off. So since we're going to be working in this area, I'm also going to take out this plug right here so that I can get into this spot. Okay, so as for the door handle that's still in place, it's just held on with a little clip. This guy just pops up, and you have to be careful with it because these little door clips do snap off really easily. As you can see, I've already got one of the little plastic pieces off. There's a tool that comes with it. It's in that little red thing that I'd showed before. It's a pointed drill bit, probably something you'd use more like on a mill, but in this case you just take the pointed bit and you stick it right into the center of where this plug goes in, then you just turn it until it takes the head off. And then once you get through this head section here, especially if you get through all of them, the little plastic piece that holds onto it just comes right out. All right, so I've got the new one fitted back in place, and if you notice, this one's actually a darker color gray. This is done on purpose. My partner and I and my wife were talking about how it would look, and I said it would look goofy, and they said it would look good because the upper brow, which is this part right here, is a darker color black, and I said it's going to mismatch, but they said it looked cool, so we're going to try it. So there's a left and a right hand side. This is the passenger side front, so this will be a right hand side. It's going to sit right over the pegs that were already existing. It comes with a metal backer. This metal backer is supposed to keep it from shattering the next time you do this. Then it comes with a hardware kit. The hardware kit has some little teeny Phillips head screws with some washers. The washers are also used with the Phillips head screws on the back of these openings, and then you just run each one of these down in each one of these holes, and then you can start refitting everything. All right, so if you're doing one of these aftermarket kits, it comes with 6 long screws. The ones that are in position right now are the 6, and that's where the long ones go. The 3 shorter ones that it'll come with go in here, here, and here. That'll complete screwing in all the pieces, and then after that, I'll clip this wire back in and put it back into place. Okay, so now that we have the door panel all together, I'm going to connect the white plug and the black plug back into the 2 connectors, and then I'm going to take this little clip. I'm going to feed the hook for the door bar into it, and I'm going to slide it over, and that will attach the door unlatch mechanism. Okay, so once the connectors are back on and the door latch is connected, you're going to take the door panel, you're going to hang it on the top edge of the windowsill, get everything to lay back into place. Then you're going to go back through, you're going to pop all the clips in all the way around and put the 2 screws back in. As you can see, this is what the gray is going to look like on the light tan gray. I personally still think it looks goofy, but I got outvoted on this one, so this is the way all the doors are going to look once it's done. Okay, so the last step in this is going to be, there's a Phillips head screw in here. You make sure to put that Phillips head screw down, then it comes with a little cap piece that goes over it so it doesn't have the mechanical looking opening. And then you have a working door cup again. This kit, just eBay, Amazon, something inexpensive. There is one that will match the color of the panel. In this case, it's not the style that we ended up going with. But I have 3 more of these to do, so as of now, I'm going to call this one done. As always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We have a lot of content coming on this 2006 Jeep Commander, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe.